Essay on elephant. Subscribe for more videos. Elephants are the largest animal on land. Elephants are considered to be one of the most intelligent animals. They are herbivorous, eat plants, fruits, and roots. They have long noses or trunks, large ears, and thick legs. The elephant is the world's largest mammal. The trunk of the elephant is like human hand. The four legs of an elephant is very thick and wide, looks like four pillars. Elephant is an intelligent animal with emotional feelings. A musk elephant or wild elephant is dangerous to both humans and other animals. An elephant consumes up to 300 pounds of food in a day. Elephants can live nearly 4 days without water. Elephants can find water source nearly 5 kilometers away. The male elephant has two teeth which are quite long and are referred to as tusks. They are mostly seen in Africa and Asia. The natural color of an elephant is grayish black, but an elephant usually appears to be the same color as the soil of color of living place. Elephant skin is generally very hard and rough. They are about 6.6 feet to 11.5 feet in height. The weight of Asian elephant is approximately 4,000 kilograms. Elephant's body size is a great anti-predator adaptation. The scientific name of an elephant is Loxodonta. Elephants were classified into two species, the African and Asian elephants. Gestation period of an elephant is 22 months. This is approximately 2 years. A baby elephant is called a calf. Elephants are come under kingdom Animalia. The tusks of an elephant are modified second incisors in the upper jaw. Elephants have 26 teeth. Elephants can move both forward and backwards. Elephants' ears have thick bases with thin tips. Touching is an important form of communication among elephants. Elephants use trunk for communication. Elephant is a wild animal, but humans have forced them to work in zoos, circuses, transport, and entertainment purposes. The longest lived animals lifespan up to 70 years. The elephant is made up of 326 to 351 bones. They also play a great role in maintaining the biodiversity of the ecosystems. Humans killed them for the tusk, skin, etc. Body part is shown below. Trunk, tusk, eye, skin, foot, mouth and lip, ear, leg, body. Thanks for watching.